What if I told you that the first drone wasn't invented in the 21st century, but over 2,000 years ago in ancient Greece? It sounds like science fiction, but historical accounts describe a mechanical bird, a wooden pigeon, that actually flew. This wasn't a myth about Icarus and waxwings. It was a marvel of engineering created by a genius named Archidus of Tarentum, long before the Wright brothers and even centuries before Leonardo da Vinci sketched his own flying machines. Archidus allegedly built a self-propelled pigeon that soared through the air. Imagine the shock and awe of the people in ancient Tarentum, watching a wooden creation take flight without anyone pulling its strings. How on earth did he do it? The secret, according to ancient writers, was steam or compressed air. Archidus was a master of mathematics, mechanics, and acoustics. He understood principles that were far ahead of his time. The theory is that his pigeon was hollow and connected to a counterweight system. When a boiler produced high-pressure steam, it was directed into the bird, creating thrust that propelled it along a wire or perhaps even in a circular flight path. It was essentially a primitive jet engine, an incredible display of pneumatic and mechanical knowledge. This wasn't just a toy. It was one of the earliest examples of what we would now call a robot or an automaton. It shows that ancient Greek inventors weren't just philosophers. They were hands-on engineers, pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible. They were already exploring concepts like self-propulsion and robotics, ideas that would be lost and rediscovered centuries later. Sadly, the original pigeon is lost to history, and so are Archidus's own detailed writings about it. All we have are descriptions from later authors who marveled at his creation, but the legend of the flying pigeon survived, inspiring future generations of thinkers. It's said that Leonardo da Vinci himself studied these ancient accounts, fueling his own obsession with flight. Archidus's pigeon is a powerful reminder that history is full of forgotten technologies and lost knowledge. It challenges our perception of the ancient world as primitive and shows us that innovation has always been part of the human spirit. Who knows what other incredible inventions are still waiting to be rediscovered? If you love exploring real history that sounds almost impossible, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us at Curiosity Capsule. We have so many more incredible stories to share. Thanks for watching.